We're going to talk about two, and two. Three words that sound the same but look and mean something different. The first one, two, is expressing emotion. For example, we are walking to the shops this afternoon. The second one, two, means in addition or also. For example, can I come to the shops too? And the third one, two, is a number. There are two of us walking to the shops this afternoon. So here are three example sentences. See if you can work out which one to use. I have a problem. I buy too many shoes. What do you think? If you said TOO, then you're correct. Number two, tomorrow I'm going to the cinema. Of course, it's TO. Tomorrow I'm going to the cinema. And what about the third one? I ate 2 slices of cake for breakfast. Of course, it's TWO. 2 slices of cake, a number. Now it's your turn. Write 3 sentences in the comments below using each of the words to, and two.